Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to trim a video on your KineMaster mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to trim the video? For an example, I just need only the keyboard and not the monitor. I just want to trim the first portion, so I'm just going to keep this and click on the video. Then you will see an option on the side called trim or split. Click on this option, trim or split. Then here you will see a two type of trim option. I here trim left side or trim right side. So I just need the right side on my video, so I just going to trim on the left side. So now I just going to trim one day. I just need keyboard, so I just going to trim the right side also. So now you will have the clip of 9 seconds. So this is how you can just trim left or right, and if you done anything wrong, you just use this option to undo the trim option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.